We're very fortunate to have with us today two eminent persons from the United States-based organization Autism Speaks, Dr. Andy Shee and Michael Rosenoff. Welcome to Sri Lanka, Andy and Michael, and hope you have a comfortable stay, although it's very short. We meant to have this meeting initially in August, and after several postponements, they are finally here. They arrived in early hours of this morning, so both of you have traveled a lot to many parts of the world, so perhaps your biological clocks readily adjust to the time changes. First, let me say a very brief word about Autism Speaks. It's referred to as the world's leading science and advocacy organization for autism. Their international involvement is through Global Autism Public Health or GAP initiative and is active in over 40 countries. And they do this with integrated approach to raising awareness, research and service development in that country. We will be hearing more about GAP from Andy and Michael later. Dr. Andy Shee leads the GAP initiative and is the Senior Vice President for Scientific Affairs for Autism Speaks. He's a biomedical researcher and has a PhD in neuroscience, and his research background includes published studies in gene identification and characterization, virus cell interaction, and cell cycle regulation. He was instrumental in cloning of a family of small GTPases involved in cell cycle control and nuclear transport, and holds 3 patents on nucleic acid-based diagnostic and therapeutics. And he oversees research collaborations for Autism Speaks. And Andy says he lives in New York City with his wife and 2 children. Thank you, Andy, for making that long journey to come to Sri Lanka. Michael Rosenoff is Associate Director, Public Health Research and Scientific Review. Michael has a master's in public health in epidemiology and is now a doctoral candidate in epidemiology. Michael and his wife currently reside in Jersey City, New Jersey. Michael is also part of the development team for the Global Autism Public Health or GAP initiative. In addition, he oversees the International Autism Epidemiology Network or IAEN, and is also a member of the Autism Speaks Grant Division, helping oversee the administration of organizations grant-making process for research. His research background is in genetic and psychiatric epidemiology, and it was interesting to note that you have done research in the field of epilepsy and depression. Thank you, Michael, for being here and for all those communications and suggestions leading to the organizing of this event. Now let me say a few words about the Sri Lanka Association for Child Development. You might be surprised to hear that we are only 1 year old this month. The Sri Lanka Association for Child Development as objectives have chosen to promote, facilitate and support advancement of professional knowledge and skills, research and interest in child development and developmental disorders in children, and also to advocate to improve the quality of life of children in general and those with developmental disorders and their families. This is because we firmly believe all children have the right to receive the best opportunity for growth and development and reach their potential. And the SLACD membership is multidisciplinary, and it includes professionals whose activity involve working in the field of child development and developmental disorders. But in the future, we hope to open it to a much wider group. A warm welcome again to you both, and I hope this is the first meeting of others to follow. In the next 2 days, we have a range of activities that focus on children with special needs. Today we talk mainly as professionals and stakeholders. Our task in raising awareness, capacity building, resource development and research. Tomorrow is exclusively for parents and families. And we have the First Lady gracing the occasion. There will be a media forum to provide a publicity to the children's needs and the hopes and expectations of their parents. Thank you very much.